Holy crap. So that was not a true solve, but it was the same exact scramble and moves that I did to get my new PB. I didn't record my PB, I did it off camera, but basically this is the scramble, and it was like super fluid. It was just insane. I actually got a 7.79, so that's my new PB. But yeah, imagine if I got a 4.9, that'd be insane. But yeah, it was kind of an easy cross, and I was able to look ahead to the green-red pair, and like everything else was just super fluid. And here, I got this T case, this T Olo, and as you can see, these are the same colors on this side and same with this side, and once you do it, it's like a PLO skip, and it was just insane, like, oh my gosh. So yeah, 7.79 PB.